everyone, Lena Skvagerson here. Welcome to this exciting Learn, Make, Create episode with Annie's Creative Studio. In today's tutorial, we will make the unisex slippers. I will show you in close-up detail how to work the top part as well as how to transition into the instep, working the sides, the sole, and how to seam it all together. These slippers are such a quick and easy project and they look so comfy and trendy. If you are a member, you can download this great pattern now. And if you're not a member yet, you can sign up to start watching and download patterns for free today. Now, let's make some cozy slippers together.